Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram broadcast channel not showing. If you want to get broadcast channels for your Instagram account, there are some things you can do to resolve the problem and become eligible. Remember that the feature is not available for everyone yet. It's mainly for creators to engage with their audience and boost their growth. If you believe that you meet the requirements and should get the features as it'll help you, you can try the following methods to get broadcast channels for your Instagram account. First, switch to a public profile. Broadcast channels are only available for public accounts for now. If you are an Instagram creator or business with a private account, you won't find a new feature to engage with your followers. You must switch to a public account to get broadcast channels. First, launch Instagram. Then go to your profile by tapping its icon on the bottom right section. Next, tap on the three bars at the top right section. Then, tap on Account Privacy. Turn the switch next to Private Account to the off position. Finally, confirm your selection from the pop-up. Once you have switched to a public account, restart Instagram and you'll find broadcast channels in the DM section. It'll have a dedicated tab there. You can start one for your followers from there. The second option, update the Instagram app. Go to Play Store, find Instagram, and tap the update button. Let the latest version installed, and when the process is complete, launch the app. And you can see broadcast channels in the DM section. However, you must try another workaround if you still can't see. Uninstall Instagram from your device and then restart your device. This will help you get access to the new feature. You can now launch the app and navigate to the DM section to find broadcast channels. And last, report the issue to Instagram. Launch the Instagram app and shake your device a few times. A pop-up appears on the screen asking you if something's wrong. Tap the Report a Problem button and briefly explain your issue. You can also attach screenshots and ensure you tell about the problem in clean language. Submit the report and wait for Instagram to handle your case. You can also report an issue to Instagram via email or other social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. And that's all. Thank you guys for watching these videos and see you guys for the next video.